Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick English. Today we are mastering a simple but essential phrase, her hair. Why this phrase? You'll hear it everywhere, describing friends, family, or celebrities.
Up in the toilet and I'm holding her hair. That is
brother pulling her hair and those
It's everyday English that native speakers use constantly. First, let's nail the word her, her. Say it with me. Her, 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 her. Notice the sound. It's like hurt, but without the chi. Again, confidently. Her, her, her. Perfect. You did it perfect. Now the word hair. Hair, hair, hair. Repeat after me. Hair, hair. It sounds like web, but with an her son. Her son. Once more. Hair, hair, hair. Excellent. That's just excellent. So, let's connect them smoothly. Her hair, her hair. Slowly first. Her hair, her hair. Now, naturally. Her hair, her hair. One more time with confidence. Her hair, her hair. Now, let's use it in real sentences. Repeat after me. I love her hair. I love her hair. I love her hair. Her hair is so shiny. Her hair is so shiny. Wow. Her hair looks amazing today. Amazing. Just amazing. So, is her hair naturally curly? Is her hair naturally curly? That's fantastic. Fantastic. You are sounding more natural already. Quick challenge time. Don't just repeat, make it personal. Think of someone you know. Think of someone you know. Your sister, her hair is long. Your friend, her hair is brown. A celebrity, her hair is gorgeous. Your turn. Pause the video and say it out loud. Remember, her, possessive, talking about female. Hair, the stuff on someone's head. Practice makes perfect. Use it whenever you describe someone. Pro tips. Listen to how native speakers say in movie or songs. You'll start noticing it everywhere. Before you go, challenge time. How would you describe your best friend's hair? Long, short, curly, straight, blonde? Use her hair is. Write it below. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and check out the previous lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later for more another quick English tips. Bye for now.